Welcome to the KS1 Controller Access explanatory video. This access is free and allows you to easily and quickly control all Kratos Safety equipment and more soon. To benefit from the controller access, you need to be a competent person, i.e. to have knowledge of the verification of Kratos Safety personal protective equipment. Thanks to dematerialization, managing a range of PPE has never been so simple and effective. The automatic email alerts sent by the system make this management even easier. To control a piece of equipment, you must have it with you and scan its QR code with a smartphone, tablet or 2D reader connected to your computer. First, you are taken to the product information page. You can start inspecting a product at any time, even if it has not been previously registered. Click on the Control button. You need to authenticate yourself. These identifiers have been sent to you by Kratos Safety on a training certificate and the individual card you have been given. The product identification remains visible throughout the control, as well as a progress indicator. A detailed description of the controls to be carried out is visible. 3 result criteria have been defined. No apparent defect for a checkpoint with no defect. Not applicable for a checkpoint that does not apply to the product. Major defect for a checkpoint with a major defect. A comment box is available to add information on a checkpoint result. Click on Next to display the next checkpoint. You can return to a checkpoint at any time via the Back button. After responding to all checkpoints, you need to validate the control. The Finish Inspection button allows you to end the questionnaire at any time, thus finishing the inspection at the current checkpoint. This Finish Inspection function can be used in a number of cases. First case, when, during an inspection, a checkpoint has a major defect. In this case, there is no need to answer the next questions. You can complete the control sooner. Note: a comment must be indicated on the checkpoint with a major defect. Second case, when you have equipment batches in perfect condition. As soon as the result of the first checkpoint is entered as no apparent defect, you can complete the control quickly. The next questions will not be displayed. You can do this for each piece of equipment. This feature allows you to significantly optimize PPE control procedures. The status indicator changes depending on the result of the periodic inspection. It turns green for compliant equipment, red for non-compliant equipment. The indicator remains orange if the product has not been registered by the user or manager of this product. Said manager must be made aware of the benefits of registering their product, such as access to inspection documents or the product life sheet. However, they can view the status of the product without registering it first. The life sheet and periodic inspection are created automatically and can be viewed at any time by the controller as well as the user or the product manager. These documents can be printed or emailed at any time. The controller enjoys privileged access via the List of Controlled Products. This list displays the equipment you have control with its identification, allocation, managers, status, compliant, to be controlled, non-compliant, as well as upcoming control dates. This data can also be exported into Excel.
How to control non-Kratos Safety PP with KS1. Contact your Kratos Safety distributor and order your KS1 Lab neutral QR code labels. Stick a neutral QR code label on the product of your choice. Scan your QR code. Click Save. You will arrive directly on the identification page. Identify yourself. Now complete the requested information. Those marked in red are mandatory. Choose the PP product category. You must indicate the brand, model and designation. If you wish, you can add an internal reference of your choice, such as the name of your customer, the internal tracking number for your company, etc. Now enter the serial number, the batch number, and the date of manufacture. Choose the control periodicity. It can be 3, 6, 9 or 12 months. Please note that the information recorded cannot be modified later, so check that everything is in order before validating. It is now possible to check the products with KS1. To do so, click on Check. Now indicate if the product is without apparent defects or if it has a significant defect. A space is available if you wish to add comments. During your check, you can add a maximum of 4 pictures and a file. The registration can then be completed by the user with a picture, the user manual, or any other document that he deems necessary for the product. How to control a non-PPE product. Contact your Kratos Safety distributor and order your KS1 lab neutral QR code labels. Stick a neutral QR code label on the product of your choice. Scan your QR code. Click on Save. You arrive directly on the identification page. Identify yourself. Now, complete the request information. Those marked in red are mandatory. Choose product category Other. If you want, you can add an internal reference. Now, enter the serial number, the batch number, and the date of manufacture. Finally, choose the control periodicity. It can be 3, 6, 9 or 12 months. It is now possible to check the product with KS1. To do so, click on Check. Now, indicate if the product is without apparent defect or if it has significant defect. A space is available if you wish to add comments. During your check, you can add a maximum of 4 pictures and a file. The registration can then be completed by the user with a picture, the user manual, or any other documents that he deems necessary for the product.
For more information, visit our KratosSafety.com website. Thank you for watching our video and see you soon on KS1.